My name is Sam Skills, DJ and producer since over 25 years. I've been touring the world from US to Europe, going by Dubai. I've been also running my label since 2006, Gaga Records, including established artists from all over the world. I am the co-founder of Skills DJ Academy since 2014. We've been training students coming up from all over Europe. And here in 2019, we had a lot of requests having the classes online. So here we go. Now we're starting the DJ courses online, and this is the first lesson for you guys that have never been in touch with any gears in their life. I'm going to talk your language, no technical stuff, nothing special than just your language. How we get started? We need 3 basic steps. Step number 1, what do you need as equipment? The minimum requirement for equipment, we need to start DJing. Step number 2, how to play music, just a normal thing, how to start and play music from different sources, CD, USB, or probably also computers. In these courses, you are going to learn how to DJ with your ears. We will not have any assistance by computer. We are going to do the old school DJing actually. Step number 3, how to keep the music going on, non-stop. Back in days, DJs were radio DJs. They used to play music non-stop. So one song was playing, and before that it ended, it faded out, and the other song faded in. Or probably he spoke or she spoke between the tracks. So the music or the sound was always going on, no blank, no stop it. So this is the step number 3, how to do that without any talking about beat matching or anything more than just keep the music going on and flowing. So let's start with how to select music from different sources. Let's look from up here. As you can see from top here, you have the full screen, and I will show you how to play music from a USB key. I'll just take a USB key 2.0 or 3.0. I plug it here into the USB port. I wait a few seconds to get it charged, and then I click on USB, and you see here I have all the options that I can choose from my playlist. I can go by artist, by track, by key, music. The key is the music note. I go by album or playlist. I can also go by history. History is the tracks that I've been playing just before, and they are always stored in a folder. If, for example, I played the playlist yesterday and I really liked it, I can again play it in the same sequence. So I choose playlist to choose my tracks. Playlists, you will do them with a software called Rekordbox. Easy to use. It's a free download from Pioneer website. Install it. It works actually like iTunes playlist, whatever. Create a playlist, give it a name, drag and drop tracks from your computer and put them there in the order that you want, and then you export it to your USB key. But I will have another class only talking about how to make your playlist with this software called Rekordbox. Here I come back to my playlist, I click on, I click school again, and then I have under my folder school, I have all my playlists. I will just pick up one of these playlists, and I have all the tracks loaded from the playlist. So, you can just scroll down, and when you come to the track that you want to play, you just select it, and here is it charged. And when it charges, you have more information about the song or the track that you've been just loading. You have here the form of the wave. You can see the intro. You can see here the breakdown, and come back here to the drop again, the song, another breakdown, and you can see whole information. I will talk about the structure of the song in another class, of course. You have also the timing. You have the tempo. Tempo here is at 0. It means that the BPM is the original BPM of the song, is the original speed of the song. BPM is for beats per minute. And if I want to have more info, I click again on this button, and I have the name of the song, the artist, the length, the BPM, original BPM, and also the key. If I click again on info, I come back to my screen. I can zoom on the form up or down just with this jogger. It's so easy, and you can keep seeing the key of your song over here. Then if I want to use an SD card, I have a port here, and you have the possibility to use an SD card, but honestly, I have never seen any DJ playing with the SD card. You can also select a disc. Disc is for CD, so if you plug the CD, you can also play the same thing like USB. It's the same technique, it's the same possibilities. And yeah, let's go back to my USB key here. So now let's start a song. How you start a song is easy. You just push play. If I want to come back to the beginning of the song, to come back, just click the button Q. I push play again, I start from the beginning of the song. Anytime I push Q, it comes back to the Q. The Q, it's automatic Q. In every single track, these players, they make an auto cue at the beginning, so you can come back to it at any time. So if I play a song, for example, and I move forward, whatever it is, like say in the first breakdown, and I want to come back to my cue, just click the button here, cue, and it comes back. But this cue button is something that we use a lot, and I will talk about it more later on. This is like your friend, your best friend, is the cue button. You can also just test the song from the beginning with the cue. As soon as you leave your finger on the cue, the song keep playing, and as soon as you release your finger, the song comes back to the beginning. So let's play a song. Here you can see you can move forward in a song. Can you tell me one? Now, for example, and you can release it and the music will keep playing. Okay, I want to come back now to the beginning of the song. It's easy. Come back to the cue. Play again. Now, step number 2. What do we need as equipment? What is the basic DJ setup you need? You have two different setups. You can go a little bit cheaper with the controllers. You have two types of controllers. A controller that actually requires a computer, or standalone controller that doesn't need any computer. You can just plug in your USB keys and that's it. And you can play music from. Here I'm going to show you how to use the Pioneer system. We're going to use 2000 Nexus with the Mixer 750K. So this is the basic setup actually we need. You can also use other brands like Denon DJ, the Prime series. They do exactly the same. If you understand one, how it's working, all the others are doing the same. So it's the same basics. Let's see from up here, what do we get here? So what we need, you need to play music. As a DJ, you need two unities for CDs, or we call them CD players, but actually they play a USB. One right, one left. And in the middle, we have a mixer. The mixer, what it does, it takes the music from the CD or CDG player. It got plugged into here. You see just RCA classic cable. Let's say we connect this one into channel 3. So we have this one in connected to channel 3. And then the CD number 2 or CDG player number 2 is coming and plugged into the channel number 2. I use this one in the middle, so actually if we can or have other unities, we can put one right and one left, and we can use them in these two channels. So we have possibility to use 4 desks in this mixer. This mixer also allow you other stuff like the EQ. What is the EQ? I will say is divided in different frequencies. Low frequencies, as you see it low, medium frequencies and high frequency. If I play a song, let's say now my song I had choose before, I will play it. Now I can cut the low frequencies with this. You see it, I put it on 0, put it back in the middle, then I have the kick. The all low frequencies is the kick or the bass line. The kicks, the drums, boom, boom, or the bass line, boom, boom, boom. They all are grouped in the low frequencies. If I play the song, I can cut also the medium frequencies. All the medium frequencies are everything in instruments or in the vocals. So listen. We keep only the kick and the high frequencies. If I have a vocal or melodies, I don't hear them, but if I put it here, you can hear the melody. I cut the melody, okay? And what it here is the high frequencies, that are actually all the shakers, like everything high. So if I cut, there is no heads. This is what we call them heads, all high frequencies. Back, off, back. So I take the high frequencies off, medium frequencies off, low frequencies off, and then music is there. We only hear the background. So the music, this is the way actually how we will EQ the songs. We can use this for a basic song. Okay, so this part is for the EQ. Another part is for an FX. The FX are all here, and you can use, just select the channel 3 on here. I will select the channel 3. Okay, I will use whatever FX I want. Let's say I use a filter, and when I turn the knob right on the high frequencies, this is what it gives. Put it back. I can put it on the low. We can use other FX like a jet. This one actually everybody knows, you already heard this one. You see it here. Or you can use the low. You can play this with all other noise or crash. You just have fun with all the effects. And here we can have other more and much more effects in another combining here. If you select, well, let's say delay, we have a delay here. I just activate the delay with this button, and then I turn it on. You see it here? So we can use all these effects. You just choose whatever you like. Flanger. I cut it off, on and off. This part actually just a basic understanding of how the EQ is working and how the FX is working. Let's go again now to part number 3. What is the part number 3? Is how to play music as a DJ. The first thing actually we gotta do, as I said before, is just to keep the music going on. So let's say I play the music here. I will come to my other CDG here. I will go to USB again. I choose my playlist. Go again to school. I go whatever it is. I choose one of the playlists. Take one of the tracks. It's loaded. I have all information. To play it, it's really easy. Push the button play. Now, this is the last part actually that you need as a DJ is the headphones. This will allow me to listen to the music before the crowd listen to it. I will have time to prepare my music. So let's say now I'm playing this song. As the fader is up, people are listening to the track, but this one is off. Nobody listens to it. And if I want to listen to it alone and make sure that this is the one that I want to play, I just activate the headphone here. Okay, so if I cut this, you can hear. I can hear it on my headphone. I can prepare my song, and when it's ready, just look. I will not do any special mix or anything like with the beat matching or anything, just to make sure that you understand what I need to do. I need to play music without stopping. So it's just music will continue, like I said before. So if the music is playing here, I will say this song was ready, put my headphone here, and then I just exchange the faders. I have another song is playing now. Of course, pardon me on the mix, it's really bad, but I don't want you to go into the details how to mix, how to beat match everything. I just want you to understand the basics, like how to just to play music. So I go from here. If I want to come back, I push the button back here. I go to whatever track I want, another one. I charge it here. I play the song. I cut my headphones here. The song, you see it is played here. I will activate my headphone on this channel. Let's listen to my song here. You can hear the song here on my headphones. I'm the only one actually can hear it. And when it's ready, let's come back to the other one. Let's say, okay, it's perfect, it's good, magnificent, and I want to play this one. I will just push the fader up and the other one down. And here we go, we changed the music. This is the basic level 0, let's say it, level 0, how to play music, just you guys to understand how we've changed the music. So if we get this, it means that we understand the basics. What the DJ needs to do is to play non-stop music. As you can see, these were the 3 steps that you needed: how to start the music, what equipment and DJ setup you need, and how to keep the music going on, mixing fade in and fade out. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. More courses are going to be online. Next one, going to talk about the speed of the song, how to work the BPM, beat per minute, for your song to get started with the beat matching. We're going step by step, and I will always keep talking your language until I get you to the next level. Thank you for watching. This is a course from Online Skills DJ Academy.